Imagine waking up to see money in your bank account without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible. Hey everyone, it's Mel, and today we're diving deep into the world of passive income and how it can revolutionize your financial life. We'll be exploring proven methods to generate income streams that work for you, even while you sleep. From smart investments to leveraging the power of the internet, get ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom and start building a future where money is no longer a constant worry. Before we jump into the exciting world of passive income ideas, let's define what passive income actually is. See, most people think of income as something you actively work for. You trade your time and skills for a paycheck. But passive income is different. It's about generating money that doesn't directly depend on your constant effort. Think of it like planting a seed. You put in the initial work of planting and watering, but over time it grows and bears fruit without you constantly needing to tend to it. That's the beauty of passive income. You put in the work up front, and it continues to generate income for you, even while you're off doing other things. Whether it's spending time with family, pursuing your passions, or simply enjoying a well-deserved break. Now, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It takes effort, strategy, and yes, even some initial investment in most cases. But the rewards are well worth it. Imagine having the freedom to pursue your dreams without being tied to a 9-to-5 job, or the peace of mind knowing you have multiple streams of income to rely on. That's the power of passive income. It's about building long-term financial security and creating a life where you have more control over your time and your money. One of the most popular and powerful ways to generate passive income is through investments. Now, when people hear investments, they often think of Wall Street, complicated charts, and needing a ton of money to get started. But the truth is, investing is more accessible than you might think, and you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. One of the simplest ways to dip your toes into the investment world is through the stock market. You can buy shares of companies you believe in. Think Apple, Tesla, or even your favorite coffee shop. And as those companies grow and profit, so can your investment. Platforms like Robinhood and E*Trade have made it incredibly easy to get started with investing, even with small amounts of money. But investing isn't just about individual stocks. You can also invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which are like baskets of stocks that offer diversification and potentially lower risk. And here's the best part, with investing, you're essentially putting your money to work for you. Instead of sitting idle in a savings account, your money is out there, potentially growing over time. Now let's talk about another powerful investment for passive income: real estate. You don't need to be a millionaire to get started in real estate investing. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income, and you can even start small with a duplex or a single-family home. And if managing properties feels overwhelming, real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a hands-off approach to real estate investing. You invest in a company that owns and manages properties, and you get to reap the rewards without dealing with tenants or toilets. Remember, like any investment, there are risks involved, and it's crucial to do your research, start small, and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a world of opportunities to create passive income streams right from your laptop. One popular method is through e-commerce. Now you might be thinking, Mel, I don't have a warehouse full of products to sell. But here's the thing, you don't need one. With dropshipping, you can partner with suppliers who handle the storage and shipping, while you focus on building your online store and marketing your products. Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up a professional-looking e-commerce store without any technical expertise. And if physical products aren't your thing, the world of digital products is booming. Ebooks, online courses, stock photos, templates, the list goes on and on. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without any additional production costs. Another lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with other businesses and promoting their products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. You earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link, making it a win-win for both you and the business you're partnering with. The key to success with online businesses is to find a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality products or content, and market them effectively to your target audience. If you love creating videos, writing, or sharing your knowledge with the world, content creation can be a fulfilling and potentially lucrative path to passive income. YouTube, for example, has become a global phenomenon, and many creators are earning substantial income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The key is to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Whether it's tutorials, vlogs, comedy skits, or educational content, find your niche, be consistent with your uploads, and engage with your viewers. Similarly, blogging has become a popular way to share your thoughts, expertise, and passions while also generating passive income. By monetizing your blog through ads, sponsored posts, or even selling your own products or services, you can turn your writing into a source of income. The key to success with blogging, just like with YouTube, is to create valuable content, optimize it for search engines, and promote it effectively to reach a wider audience. And here's a bonus tip. Repurposing your content across different platforms can maximize your reach and income potential. For example, you can turn your YouTube videos into blog posts or vice versa, reaching a wider audience and increasing your chances of generating more passive income. Remember, building a successful content creation business takes time, effort, and consistency. Have you ever written a book, composed a song, or invented something groundbreaking? If so, you might be sitting on a goldmine of passive income potential through intellectual property. Intellectual property refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. Protecting your intellectual property through patents, copyrights, and trademarks can give you exclusive rights to use, sell, and profit from your creations. One of the most common ways to generate passive income from intellectual property is through royalties. For example, if you write a book and it gets published, you earn royalties every time someone buys a copy. The same goes for music. When your song is played on the radio, streamed online, or used in a movie or TV show, you earn royalties. Patents, on the other hand, give you exclusive rights to make, use, and sell your invention for a certain period. This can be incredibly lucrative, especially if your invention solves a common problem or meets a specific need. Licensing is another way to profit from your intellectual property. You can license your inventions, designs, or even your brand name to other companies, allowing them to use your intellectual property in exchange for royalties or licensing fees. Protecting your intellectual property is crucial, and it's essential to consult with an attorney specializing in intellectual property law to ensure you have the proper protection in place. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the power of investments to the endless possibilities of online businesses, content creation, and intellectual property. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable income streams that work for you, giving you more freedom, flexibility, and financial security. The best part is, you don't have to choose just one. Explore different options, experiment, and find what aligns best with your skills, interests, and financial goals. The first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning and growing. If you found these ideas helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on financial freedom. Check out the links in the description for resources to get started.